The next use of poner. Poner is, or poner also means to get or to be. But this is a bit specific. To be, when it means to be, is a bit specific, okay? You can use it in some situations. And to get, we're referring to, for example, when getting happy, getting angry, getting upset, okay? Getting bored. So we're talking about that. We're talking specifically about that. For example, no te pongas así. No te pongas así. Sé paciente. No te pongas así. Sé paciente. This means don't be like that. Oops, I missed something here. Don't be like that. Be patient. So we can see here the verb poner. Okay. No te pongas. We have the reflexive pronoun te. Reflexive pronoun te. No te. Tú no te pongas. We don't need tú. We need te. And obviously this is conjugated. The verb poner is conjugated for you, okay, or that person. Maybe the person is behaving not too nice. So we can say this whole phrase, no te pongas así. No te pongas así, sorry. By the way, pongas is subjunctive and is conjugated for the personal pronoun tú, which means you, and it's also in present tense. Excellent. So, no te pongas así. It's similar to saying, así, by the way, means like that. But when you say the whole thing, no te pongas así, you are saying, oops, I don't know what's going on. You are saying, don't be like that. No te pongas así. Don't be like that. So if you don't know that poner means to be, like in that situation, you're going to be like, don't put something like that if you translate it word by word. Yeah, it can be confusing. But when you know that poner also means when you're behaving in a certain way, that's going to help you understand, obviously, more about the verb poner. You will understand more about it. No te pongas así means don't be like that. Okay? Maybe the person is angry. Maybe the person in this situation, it looks like is impatient, is behaving not to, that person doesn't want to wait for something, that person is impatient. So you're just saying, please don't be like that. Okay? Sé, tú, not me, tú, sé. Sé, we don't need tú, we need sé. And sé comes from the verb to be or ser, rather ser in Spanish. So that's why it says be, sé, paciente, patient. Sé paciente, be patient. Okay? So, no te pongas así. This specific phrase is very commonly said in Spanish if you want to say to someone, hey, don't be like that, just don't be like that. No te pongas así. Remember this whole phrase. It's a good one. It's a very good one. And that means don't be like that. Excellent. So now we can see that in this situation, pongas, the verb poner, means be. Okay? My arrows are terrible. I'm sorry. Excellent. Now let's look at the next example using poner. Poner. Oh, what's going on? What's going on? There you go. Excellent. Okay, the next example is oops, too big. Siempre me pongo contenta. Siempre me pongo contenta cuando escucho esta canción. Siempre me pongo contenta cuando escucho esta canción. What does this mean? Canción means song. Contenta means happy, okay, feminine. It's a feminine adjective. Happy. Contento would be the masculine form. So if I say siempre me pongo contenta cuando escucho esta canción. This means I always get happy when I hear this song. Okay. Now we're talking about something quite different. In the first example, we were talking about someone who was impatient. In the second example, we see that someone is happy. Someone is getting happy. Why? Because that person is listening to a great song. Okay? So, let's break this down. Siempre means always. Okay? Always. When you say me pongo, that means I get. Okay? Me is similar to saying I. Remember, that's a reflexive pronoun. Pongo comes from the verb poner. Okay? And in this situation, it means get. I get. Contenta. Contenta means happy. Estoy contenta. I'm happy. Me pongo contenta. I get happy. Okay? Cuando means when. Yo escucho. We don't need yo. We need escucho. That means I hear. Esta, this, canción, song, la canción. By the way, that's a feminine noun. La canción, the song, or just song. So, siempre me pongo contenta cuando escucho esta canción. I always get happy when I hear this song. Okay? Excellent, excellent. Remember, poner means to get and to be. Specifically when talking about, moods. You're happy, you're impatient, you're getting happy, you're getting impatient, you're angry, you're getting angry, okay? So just remember that, and it works great with reflexive pronouns when using poner in this kind of situation. So that's good. Do you have any questions? Any questions?